Climate change. Whenever I hear somebody say these words, I feel like everybody around is like, oh, this topic again, it's really getting boring. But then I think to myself, if we are all sick of it already, then why don't we change anything? Anything except the climate. It is shocking to me how people still think that the consequences of climate change are far ahead in the future and wouldn't bother us today. That is such a wrong assumption. We are experiencing climate change every day now. The 5 hottest years ever recorded have occurred after 2010. If you're quick on counting, there have only been 7 years after 2010. The acidity in the oceans has increased by 30% by the human carbon dioxide emissions, which is endangering a lot of species and has already led to several extinctions. The ocean levels are rising and ice caps are melting. Right here in Northern America, there's been a huge increase in drought and wildfires, which are already directly killing thousands of people. So how can you not see the consequences and the danger of climate change? Now, I hope that everybody gets the message that climate change is here now, so I hope you think, well, what can I do about it? I think everybody has to start with themselves. So you should be trying to save energy, save water. For example, a vegan diet is very good behavior to save CO2. And then when you're doing that, the next step is to focus on the others, to spread the awareness, to get everybody involved, and to even have the courage to go up to somebody and tell them when you think that they are doing something wrong that is damaging the environment, when they are wasting energy. But there's another huge point. The largest part of all our CO2 emissions are coming from the coal-fired power plants that are producing our energy. And in order to prevent that, you can't really do anything directly. But we are living in a democracy, so the power that you have is your vote. And I want to encourage all of you to take that power and make your vote count and vote for a party that will focus on the renewable energies and try to implement them. So wherever you may live on Earth, the one thing that you can really do about climate change is, in the next election, please don't vote for somebody that thinks climate change is a hoax created by the Chinese. Thank you.